Let's get you changed.
Merry Christmas.
Yep. I gotta get you changed first, sweetie. Yes, I was here last night. Oh, does he need change too?
Y'all smile.
Okay, bud. Look at him.
Nana.
Say good morning. What happened?
Who ate that? Who drank the milk? Because Daddy and I were sleeping last night. Rudolph ate the carrot. Half the carrot's gone. Who ate the cookie? Santa. Did he drink the milk too? Is there anything in your stocking? Did Santa leave you anything? Where's your stocking? No, those are Daddy's. Where's yours? Daddy might be in the way of yours. That's Mama's. Look, Santa left me something. Santa left me something.
Yeah!
What are those? Candy canes.
There you go.
See what's in your stocking. Here. Bring it over here. What else is in there? Santa brought you everything in there. Here, I can hold it for you while you see what else. Yep. Look what else is in here, Allie. Santa brought you these. They're slippers. You want to put them on? Here, let's put these up here. Let's put on your slippers.
No.
Okay. What else is in here? Yeah. No, not for you to eat. It was for Rudolph. Ollie, come on. Let's open this. Yeah, I'm going to put this in the... You go ahead and see what's next that's in your stocking. See what's next. I think there's a toy in there.
Alec, you got more stuff in your stocking. Go see. Here, sit down on the floor. Have a seat.
Candy canes. Those are for you from Santa.
How do you know what candy canes are, Alec?
Where's Baby's present book?
Oh, you got your very own candy
We'll
cane.
eat them in
We'll
just
open
a
them
minute.
up.
Look, Ollie, look in there. Pull that out. What's in that? What's in there? You gotta pull hard. Keep pulling. You almost got it. Here. What is that? It's not a clock. Look. Yeah, turn it on. Turn it on right there.
It's your friend, the uppercase alphabet song, the lowercase alphabet song.
And you can change it.
Counting down the hits. 20 little leapfrogs. Birdie bye-bye.
So what is that?
It's a radio.
20 little birdie bye-bye. The days of
Look, Ollie, there's still more in here.
Hey, you got a book.
It's about baby animals.
Why don't you sit on the ground, Allie?
Yeah, it's that button. And then this changes the station. Ollie, there's still more in here. Reach down in there. Here, let's turn this off just for a little bit. But just until we, Ollie, just until we finish doing the stocking. Don't you want to see what else is down there? There's still something in there. What else is in there? It's a fox. Look at the book it's got. Look at that. I bet there's a baby raccoon.
Yeah.
Look at the baby bear.
Yeah.
There's a baby raccoon. Well, here you go, Ollie. This is what else is in your stocking.
What is that?
They're yogurt raisins. You can eat them. You can have some for breakfast. Man. And look, the last thing.
Oh, there's even more.
There's one more thing from Santa. An orange. It's an orange. Daddy will help you eat it.
You say orange? It's like the color.
You gotta peel it. You don't eat that skin.
Well, Merry Christmas, Ollie. You got some neat stuff from Santa Claus.
Can you say thank you, Santa?
the lowercase